Big story coming in first. Rajya Sabha Leader of Parliament Mallikarjun Kharge has attacked the Prime Minister. It's a big attack which has been launched by Kharge over the 2024 poll results. Kharge says this has broken the Prime Minister and the BJP's arrogance. And remember, this comes on the backdrop of a lot of heated protests going on inside the Parliament, especially in terms of the NEET row and the NEET result row at this point. And this was, of course, an attack which was raised by the Leader of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge. He has now attacked Prime Minister Modi directly, saying that the 2024 results has broken the back and the Prime Minister's arrogance. Let's listen into what Kharge said.
देश के इतिहास में ये पहला चुनाव है जिसमें संविधान की रक्षा का मुद्दा बना। बीजेपी ने 400 पार का नारा दिया। उनके कई नेताओं ने तो यहां तक कहा कि दूसरे सदन में बहुत से नेताओं ने ये भी कहा कि बीजेपी संविधान बदलेगी और उन्होंने बार-बार ये बातें कही और यहां तक कि शुरुआत में 2014 में तो भागवत जी जो इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूं। आप निकाल दीजिए।
एक सेकंड। माननीय खड़गे जी, मेरा विशेष अनुरोध रहेगा कि प्रतिपक्ष के सम्मानित नेता के अलावा भी आपका बहुत बड़ा व्यक्तित्व है।
Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's joining us at this point. Niyamika, clearly the Congress is intent on driving home the message that this is a much changed parliament where the opposition is a lot more stronger, a lot more united, and the government will not be able to bulldoze key legislations and suspend members of the House en masse as it tried to do in the previous Lok Sabha and in the previous era of the Rajya Sabha as well.
Certainly, this is a very strong attack which has come on the part of the Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, as during his speech in the motion of thanks to the President's address, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has made a sharp attack upon the government of India, upon the ruling BJP as well as the RSS. In fact, he has also mentioned about various issues which was being mentioned and raised by the opposition parties during the general elections as well, whether it is about the capturing of institutions allegedly by BJP as well as RSS, and for that reason, even a war of words had also taken place between Mallikarjun Kharge and the Speaker in Rajya Sabha. For that reason, in fact, the statement which was being given by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has also been expunged because he had mentioned about the RSS and in fact the RSS chief, Mr. Mohan Bhagwat, in which he has said that the institutions of our country are getting captured by the RSS, which is not in favor of our country. As he has also mentioned that it is very dangerous that the people who are having the ideology of Manuwad, they are capturing the institutions, which is not going to be beneficial. And for that reason, he has also been, raising the issues which are related to Election Commission of India or CBI or IT. As he has said that it is necessary to raise all these issues, it is necessary to debate on the matters like the NEET exam or the manner in which the agencies are, being biased during the election time as well. And he has also mentioned about the statements which were being given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the campaigning when he was attacking the opposition parties or opposition leaders. And for that reason, in fact, the Speaker was not really happy with the statement which was being given by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and that's the reason why, in fact, many of his statements have got expelled from the Parliament records.
All right, Niyamika, thanks a lot for joining us with those details. Now, one of the key issues on which the government and a renewed and reinvigorated opposition have been locking horns ever since Parliament began last week is over at least the NEET result fiasco. Now, a stormy session of Parliament was underway a short while ago with the opposition bloc's demand for a discussion on the NEET UG irregularities leading to a fiery exchange on the floor of the House. The opposition has staged a walkout from the Lok Sabha amid the face-off between the NDA and the India bloc. Congress MP and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, led the demand, saying that the country gets messages from Parliament and that an important message needs to be given to the nation's students. Listen in to his interaction with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla.
पार्लियामेंट से देश को मैसेज जाता है।
ठीक है।
और हम स्टूडेंट्स को मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि जो नीट का इशू है वो पार्लियामेंट के लिए जरूरी है।
ठीक है।
इसलिए मैसेज देने के लिए हम चाहते थे कि एक दिन पार्लियामेंट चर्चा करे।
मैं देखता हूँ। ठीक है।
हाँ at least allow sir LOP to conclude sir.
नो कंक्लूड कर दिया उन्होंने पहले विषय।
Now, Rajnath Singh stated that the House that runs as per laws and that the opposition can debate on what's required, but that the first discussion has to be about the motion of thanks to the President's address. To this, Rahul Gandhi said that one day for a neat discussion will be required post the motion of thanks. You heard Om Birla, the Lok Sabha Speaker, said that the final decision will be taken by him. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is set to hear fresh petitions seeking a re-examination and a constitution of a high-level committee to probe irregularities in the NEET UG exam that, remember, comes up next Monday on the 8th of July. Meanwhile, listen in to some other reactions that came in from Parliament today.
सरकार ने भी ये अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त किया है कि सदन में सार्थक चर्चा संवाद हो, अच्छी डिबेट चर्चा हो, मर्यादित तरीके से डिबेट हो, लेकिन डिबेट और चर्चा देर रात तक चले ताकि आप माननीय सदस्यों को चुनकर भेजाए, एक देश में एक सकारात्मक संदेश जाए कि संसद में हमारे विषयों पर चर्चा संवाद माननीय सदस्य करते हैं।
हम चाहते थे कि नीट पे एक दिन का डिस्कशन हो। काफ़ी ज़रूरी मामला है। 2 करोड़ युवाओं को नुकसान हुआ है। 70 बार पिछले 7 साल में पेपर लीक हुए हैं। तो हम चाहते थे कि एक दिन चर्चा इस पे हो। तो अगर आप मौका दे सकें।
ठीक है। राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर आप विषय रखें, क्योंकि हमने व्यवस्था दे चुके हैं पहले ही कि राष्ट्रपति भाषण के मध्य में न शून्यकाल होगा न कोई स्थगन प्रस्ताव को लिया जाएगा।
सर, पार्लियामेंट से देश को मैसेज जाता है।
ठीक है।
और हम स्टूडेंट्स को मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि जो नीट का इशू है वो पार्लियामेंट के लिए जरूरी है।
ठीक है।
इसलिए मैसेज देने के लिए हम चाहते थे कि एक दिन पार्लियामेंट चर्चा करे।
Yeah, we had moved a urgent motion today. We hope that the Honorable Speaker and the government also accepts for a discussion by which the whole House is able to send a positive message to the people who are affected by NEET and students who are affected across India. Therefore, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, the leader of opposition, has tried to raise that issue on Friday, but he was not allowed to speak. Therefore, the whole day House was adjourned. For today, we hope that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji will be given opportunity to raise that issue.
Meanwhile,